So you might be in a situation where you're going through and you're messaging somebody, but for some reason the message says something like a disabled account cannot be contacted. Now, what does this even mean? Well, this basically means that within your Instagram application, if you're going to go through and message somebody that was on Instagram, if that person on Instagram went through and got their account banned or if something like that happened, well, you're not going to be able to go through and contact that person anymore. So I'll give you a quick example, right? Let's say I was going through and I was messaging myself on Instagram, right? And let's say this account got banned. So let's say this was one of my friends or whatever the case was. And let's say this person ended up just randomly getting banned. Well, there's not really too many choices I really have here. All I'm really going to have to do here is I'm just going to have to kind of wait it out until either they fix their problem and they get unbanned, or most probably what's going to end up happening is I'm probably going to have to go through and essentially try to see if there's a way for me to go through and recover that ban, maybe make it unbanned for some reason or something like that. There's not really too many options you're really going to have there for the most part from that particular standpoint. So if you can get the other person unbanned on Instagram, you can recover it. But if they're banned or if they've deleted their account or anything like that, they're really not going to be able to show up and you won't be able to contact them on Instagram anymore. So hopefully that makes a little bit more sense. The other person is just going to have to go through and get their account unbanned on Instagram. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.